Hello everyone and welcome to the pre-owned showcase here at Gerry Gordon's Mazda in the Waverley Auto Mall. I'm Dave Halleck, and here I've got for you just traded in 2024 Ford F-150. It's the XLT trim with the 3.5 liter engine in the FX4 package. Let's have a better look at it. Everybody wants a Mazda, and every now and then you get something different traded in. This F-150's got the new modernized style of the front end. You've got projection halogen fog lights down below, the nice smoked headlights up on the front to give it a little bit more of a exclusive look. Goodyear Wrangler Territory AT tires. Those are 275/65 R18s in a nice aggressive trim. You've got the extra size of the mirrors. These are power folding. It's got the camera on the sides. You've got the matching running boards, of course. Is the XLT in the FX4 off-road package. Let's have a look on the inside. Smart key access here. It's got blind spot monitoring in the outside edge of the mirror. Powered passenger seat, which has lumbar adjustment for the lower back. That's kind of nice. Oop. Let's flip that out there so you get a little better view. Cloth interior. Lots of workspace, lots of storage. If we pop here, I mean, you can put a small dog down in there, no problem. This has the workspace shifter package. So there's a little button over here that if we press that lowers that down, so then it gives you more workspace. Dual zone climate control, heated seats, rear view camera, and all the goodies. Navigation's in there as well. Auto dimming rear view mirror. It's got multiple power outlets, all-weather mats. Super clean. It was bought from the dealer down the street and traded into us. You've got rear vents here with more power outlets. The back seats all fold up so that you got lots of extra room for loading dog kennels or extra work gear in the back, so that's pretty awesome. Quad cab with the 5.5-foot box. You got the hitch, which was never used, with your multi-pin wiring. There's your multi-cameras on the back. Hit our liftgate. It's got all the standard pieces, hidden storage on the side, and then another 12-volt power outlet over on this side here. It has the measuring ruler up on the back of the tailgate, and it's got your drop-down with your pull-out handle. That makes it a lot easier to get inside. So you just push your buttons. A little hard to do here single-handedly. A little bit of 1, 2, 3. Push and shove. Away we go. It's got the new Ford logos on it, which are actually kind of nice because the old ones, the lenses always kind of fell off. Front and rear parking beepers again. It's got the smart key access here on the door for your privacy security code. That'll help you get in if you lock the keys in the car. You get all your box lights and your rear window adjusters. You got the light adjustments on the side here. The liftgate actually has a drop button up on the side. Leather wrap steering wheel. Buttons, 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 and more buttons. You got lots of them. And this truck has, for 2024, it's got 12,484.8 kilometers. It's a 2024 with 12,484 kilometers. So if you're in the market for an F-150, come on down and check out this 2024 XLT FX4 right here at Gerry Gordon's Mazda in the Waverley Auto Mall. It is likely to be the most affordable one out on the market right now, probably anywhere in Western Canada, because we don't sell trucks. How do we know how to price them? That means it's a great deal for you. Call or text me direct at 204-298-0476, and we'll get you into the driver's seat of this one, and financing is available up to 84 months. No problem there. Like and subscribe for more updates, because as we traded in here, this is where you're going to find out about them first.